Hello people, in this video we are looking at this book, Lippincott Illustrated Reviews Biochemistry. This is a very nice book for your biochemistry. Though we have read Satyanarayana mostly or Vasudevan some people. This book also is recommended by your staff, I'm sure. Look at this book now. Contents, have a glance at the contents. So you have the biochemistry means what? Something to do with the chemicals in your body. Like it could be your proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats. They're talking about body fluids. Arterial blood gas analysis to know whether there is alkalosis, acidosis, compensated or not, etc. What are the essential amino acids? Proteins, how you synthesize proteins, right? How protein lysis happens. Then your hormones, some insulins, etc. are proteins, right? And some amino acids which are required to produce these. Then there is something like misfolded protein, like amyloidosis. Am I saying that right? Coming to carbohydrates, you should know all about this glucose, very important guy, because he will break down to give energy, and if he is more, then you will have diabetes, etc. Basically, you should know, guys, there is something called as biochemistry lab, right? So you will be sending samples of your blood and you'll be asking them to tell you how much cholesterol is there, etc., how much of hormone levels are there, right? All that comes in biochemistry. So look at the book. It looks very neat. All the flow charts. All these, see these structures you usually don't need to know for MBBS, except glucose molecule maybe. Otherwise you don't need to know the structures. You just need to know how the metabolism happens, how they are synthesized, how they are broken down. That you should know, okay? At the end of every chapter they are giving you the short answer questions, the long answer questions, a clinical case question, and the answer right next to it so that you can learn. Multiple choice questions so that you can learn the answer right there. This looks so complex. The question itself looks so big. The answer looks so big. But however, they have given you MCQs also, right? At the end of every chapter. A clinical case which is really nice. And the answer is right next to it. At the end of this chapter, they have given you some chapter summary which looks so cluttered. I wish they had put some points and broken it down. Anyways, the space was free. They could have used it, isn't it? The summary could have been written better. The diagrams look good, clean, reliable. And this cycle, these things you should know. What do you think this cycle is? This looks important. Let's look at this. Fumarate. What do you think this is, guys? Aspartate, glutamate, alpha ketoglutarate. So this is about the reactions of the urea cycle. And here they have shown you the mitochondria, inside the mitochondria, this part. This is outside the mitochondria. Some medical perspective they have given, that is importance of why you should read this, right? So look here, they have told you about the medical perspective. So once you know the medical perspective, why it is important, then you will focus more on that chapter and try to understand it. Because somebody's life depends on your knowledge. So similarly, we are having other chapters. All vitamins they have spoken about. What is the difference between normal and cancer cells? The cell cycle time. So cancer cells have less cell cycle time. They divide more often, right? Then cell proliferation, that we know. Morphological changes. So the malignant cells are morphologically different. They are characterized by large irregular nucleus, prominent nucleoli, scarce cytoplasm. Right? Malignant cells have multi-layered structure. Contact inhibition is a property of normal cells only. So an interesting book for biochemistry, people. What is xenobiotics? What is xeno? Looks like this is some chemical substance derived from some molecules. What am I saying? So xenobiotics is nothing but a foreign substance for an organism, and the way the body reacts to this foreign substance. Okay, that is xenobiotics. Do you want to take an MCQ and finish off? Which of the following amino acids is involved in the detoxification of benzoates? What do you think the answer is? The answer is right here, B. Glycine. Glycine is involved in the detoxification of benzoate. Benzoate is converted to benzyl-CoA, which reacts with glycine to form hippuric acid. The latter is excreted in urine. So it is glycine that is helping you to detoxify benzoates. From where do you get benzoates in your body? Xenobiotic. I think we have seen a lot in this book, right? Like we told you, it is all about lab, biochemistry lab. You should be able to measure some substances, tell them whether this urine has blood or not, right? Whether the urine has proteins, whether it has ketones, etc., etc. Right? So all that comes in biochemistry, and this book is one of those most spoken of books, right, for biochemistry. Hope you have learned something by watching this video, people, and not just the review of this book. That's all for now. Bye bye.